Okay, we're asked to find the center and the radius of the circle. This question is very, very tricky. It will take time. As you can see, we are given a circle. Before we know that we can get the equation of a circle if we know the center of the circle and the radius of the circle using this formula. So if you know the center, that's it. But here we are not given the center and we are not given the radius. So we use the general equation, which is x squared plus y plus ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, and c are constants. So that's what we are going to use. And we have 3 points. So we use this to get the general equation. We now transform it to this because the two are the same. We can use it to get the equation of a circle. But this is using in terms of center and the radius. So we need to solve this because if you expand this, you get this. So we need to use this with the point given. These coordinates 1, 2, 3, minus half and minus 2. As minus 2, 0 to solve for that. After we transform it to that. So we have 3 points. So at points, I will use this because this is very important. At minus 2, 0. So we substitute the value. So we substitute, we have minus 2 squared plus 0 squared plus a x is minus 2 plus by is 0 plus c equal to 0. So we have minus 2a plus c equal to 4. So going to that side, so I have that 2a minus c equals to 4. Call it equation 1. Do you get this? 4. This is minus 2a. This is c. So if we move minus 2a to be positive, move plus c to the other side, minus c. So that's our request equation. We now check the other one at 1, 2. So we substitute again. We have 1 squared plus 2 squared plus a times 1 plus b times 2 plus c equal to 0. So I have this 5. This a plus 2b plus c. So we have a plus 2b plus c equal to minus 5. Call it equation 2. So why the last one at 3 comma minus half? So we substitute. We have 3 square plus minus half square plus a times 3 plus b times minus half plus c equal to 0. So we have 9 plus 1 over 4 plus 3a minus half b plus c equal to 0. So we'll clear the denominator. We have 1 over LCM of 4 and 2 is 2. So 2 times 9 is LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. 4 times 9 is 36. So 36 plus 1 is 36 plus 1 is 37. So we now have 4 times 3 is 12a. 4 times that is minus 2b. 4 times that is plus 4c equal to minus 37. Do you get? I cleared the denominator. LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. So 4 times 39 is 36. 4 times 1 over 4 is 1. 36 plus 1 is 37. So going to the other side is minus 37. 4 times 3s is 12a. 4 times 3 is 12a. 4 times minus half b is minus 2b. 4 times 6, 46. So we have 3 equations. So the next thing is to solve simultaneously. And as you can see, what I will do, I will make C the subject of formula in the first equation and substitute in the second and third, so that we reduce the number of variables. So by doing so, we remove C. So we now see from equation, let me just write down. So we have 3 equations now. We have 3 equations, 2a minus c equal to 4, a plus 2b plus c equal to that. So let's solve simultaneously. So to eliminate c, I'm going to make c the subject of formula in equation 1 and substitute in 2 and 3. So if from equation 1, see that c is equal to c is equal to 2a minus 4. So I now substitute, okay, let me call it equation 4. I now substitute in 2 and 3. So we have a plus 2b plus c is 2a minus 4 equal to minus 5. So we solve this 3a plus 2b is equal to minus 1. Let's call it equation 5. And 12a minus 2b plus 4 times 2a minus 4 is equal to minus 37. So I have 12a minus 2b plus 8a minus 16 equal to minus 37. So I have 12a plus 8a is 20a minus 2b is equal to that's minus 37 plus 16 is 21. That's minus 21. So we'll call it equation 6. So you can easily see that we can solve 5 and 6 simultaneously by elimination. So adding the equation 5 and equation 6. So 3a plus, that is 23a. 2b minus 2 is 0. So minus 1 plus, that is minus 22. So which implies that our a is minus 22 over 23. So what's on our a? So we choose from any equation 5, either 5 or 6, and make b the subject of formula. So from 5, or equation 5, you can easily see that b is minus 1 minus 3a over 2. So which is minus 1 minus 3 times 22 over 23 minus 22 over 33 over 2. So I have minus 1 plus 66 over 23 over 2. So which is 66 minus 23 is 43. So I have 43 over 46. So that's our B. So binary C is 2a minus 4. So which is minus 44 over 23 minus 4, which is minus 23. That's this 44 plus 2 carry 1, 92. 92 should be 136. So minus 136. Equation of the circle is now x squared plus y squared minus, I think minus a is what? Minus 22 over 23. Plus y is b is what? 43 over 46. So 40. 43 over 46y minus c is what? C is minus 136 over 23. And 136 over 23. So we can still clear the denominator. Or maybe let's leave it because we're asked to find the center and the radius. So no need of clearing the denominator. So from here, do you remember what I said about adding something to make it a perfect square? So assuming we ask this question, what will be added to this quadratic function ax squared plus bx to make it a perfect square? So we always add b squared over 4ac to make this quadratic function ax squared plus bx a perfect square. That is, if you add this, we now have something squared. So if it's plus or minus, it should be plus or minus. The square root of this is root ax, while the square root of this is b over 2 root a. So example, if you have 8x squared plus 5x, if we want to make this a perfect square, we'll add 5 squared over 4 times 8 to make it a perfect square. And what we'll get is now square root of that is root 8x plus square root of 5 squared is 5, square root of 4 is 2, y square root of 2 root 8, 2 root 8, okay, all square, so which is, okay, you can still, okay, let's leave it like this. Or maybe if you have 4x squared minus x, what will be added to this to make it a perfect square? Just b squared is minus 1 squared over 4 times 4. So what will you get? Square root of 4x squared is 2x. What you have here is minus square root of 1 squared is 1, and square root of 16 is 4. So that's it, all squared. So do you see it? So that's the knowledge we use here. So we can write this as x squared minus 22 over 23x plus y squared plus 43 over 46y minus 136 over 23 fourths. So what I will do, or maybe, okay, remember, to make this, we need to make this a perfect square and this. So we have x squared minus 22 over 23x. To make it, we always add b squared, that is this minus 22 over 23 squared over 4 times, the coefficient here is 1. Have you seen why I did it? So plus y squared plus 43 over 46y. We always add 43 over 46 squared over 4a. And a is 1, sorry, 4 times 1. but remember this is an equation, so we've added this and this, so we need to add it to the right hand side. So remember, I forgot 1 minus 136 over 23. Why not? Okay, let's move it to the other side to be equal to the positive. Why we add minus 22 over 23 all squared over 4 plus 43 over 46 all squared over 4. So we are now left with square root of x squared is x. Square root of this is, that's 22, 23 over square root of, so I have 22, 4 times that, so I have minus 4 times this 22 over 2 times that is 46, so 46 all squared. Plus here, this is a perfect square. So which is now square root of y squared is y plus square root of this. So 2 times, so I have 43 over 2 times that, 2 times, so 92 all squared. So this is now a perfect square equal to, I have 136 over 23 plus that same, okay, this is now 22. 22 squared is 22 squared is, so plus this should be 121 over 529 because 4 is 2 squared, so 2 times that all squared plus this should be 1849 over 8464. So we can get the LCM of this. The LCM is 8464. So this divides this time, that should be 55048 plus 464 divided by 529 is 16. 16 times 121 is 1936. So plus 8, that's 8464 divided by 84, so plus 1849. So add everything. Okay, let's just write this x minus, so we can reduce this more, 22, that's 211 over 23 squared plus y plus 43 over 92 squared is equal to, let's add 50048 plus 1936 plus 1849. So we have 53833 over 8464. So remember, we are to get the center and the radius. So let's find the square root. So square root of this is, so we can write this as square root 53833 over 8464 all squared. So, and square root of 8, okay, this one has no perfect square root, so let's write 5 square root of 53833 over square root of 8464 is 92. all squared. So we can easily see that the center, therefore the center is 11 over 23 comma minus 43 over 92, and the radius is square root 53833 over 92. So that's our radius.